Hey y'all, I am so excited about this craft. These are empty baker twine holders. I have been wanting to do a kaleidoscope for my kids for a long time. This is tape that you fix holes in walls with, but I knew it'd give that kaleidoscope feel. So we're going to add that. You can have any stamp you want, any season, any whatever you want for your kiddos, grandkiddos. Plastic cutting mat from Dollar Tree. And we are about to create our own Christmas kaleidoscopes. I'm making one for each of my boys. I traced out the circles. Now, we're going to use StazOn. You have to use StazOn because otherwise any other ink will rub off, okay? What's great about StazOn is it works on a lot of surfaces, okay? So as you can see, I traced out the bottom of that kaleidoscope. We're going to stamp on our Santa image using the StazOn. It's on Amazon. I will link it in my description box so you can grab it if you want it. I love this ink, okay? I've used it on glass, plastic, you name it. So there we go. There's our image. How cute. Now we're going to add some Rust-Oleum glitter for a little shimmer effect to really make that light glisten when they're looking through their kaleidoscopes. Now, y'all, I'm hiding out in the bathroom trying to get this done real quick. It's a short video, but I just had to do this this morning when my roll was empty. I was like, oh my gosh, it's the perfect shape. Everything I've been waiting on, I had to show you guys. So we're getting them all glitterified. Now, to be honest, it didn't create the biggest effect that I thought, but you'll see it's still cute and it gives a great effect for my sons. Now we're going to paint our little Santa's hat and his jacket and his pants. So they have a little bit of color, obviously. When they're looking in the light, we want that color to shimmer through. So we're going to color those up. Just using a Sharpie marker so it's permanent. Now here's the tape. We're going to add it to the back of that. So we're going to flip that over, add it to the back. Cut that out, or cut the excess off, I'm sorry. Now I do try to show you with a little tea light candle how it looks, but I got smarter, y'all. Just give me a second, okay? Because I really wanted y'all to see what we were seeing, you know? These would be so quick, so easy to make for your kids, your grandkids. Shove them in a stocking. See, I'm like trying to get y'all to see it, but no. So hold on. Give me a second. Look at that, y'all. So it gives that kaleidoscope feel. Now we're going to take some red chalk paint and we're going to paint each one of our rolls. I do not paint the tip of it though, where the eye is going to go. I didn't want to risk any paint breaking off and getting their eyes. So in the end, I do clean off any excess paint around the eye area. But we will paint them. We will Mod Podge them to secure that paint in. I'm very excited that I was finally able to do this for my kids so they can see Santa all year long. At the end of this video, you will get to see my son. He gets to look into it and see what he sees. So here we go. We're just adding our Mod Podge. I really hope you guys give this a try, you know. I think this is such a great gift for kids. Now, it's still drying a little bit, okay? It's still drying. That's why it's showing a little white. I'm trying to show you here the inside look. I'm sorry, I got shaky hands. I know you can't see it too well, but this is a really hard thing to really show. Bud. Tell everybody what you see. And here's my son. Isn't that cool? Spin it a little bit. See the light glistens? Yeah. What do you think?
I like it.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah. We'll shake it.
It's okay. You like it, buddy?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? And I can see Santa all year, huh?
Yeah. So, I see the present bag.
You do?
Yeah, his hand. The balloon.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.